Well, students, today we will solve next questions, exercise 7.4, question number 4. EB and CD are respectively the smallest and the longest side of a quadrilateral ABCD. See figure this. Show that angle A greater than angle C and angle B greater than angle D. So we have given in quadrilateral ABCD, AB is the smallest side and CD is the longest side. Next point is prove that angle A greater than angle C and angle B greater than angle D. Construction. Next point is construction. Join A to C here and B to D. The angle A is divided in two parts, namely 1, 2. B is in two parts 3, 4. C is in two parts 5 and 6, and D in two parts 7 and 8. So join A to C and B to D. Next point proof. Take any triangle like ABC. In triangle ABC, we have given AB is the smallest side, then BC is greater than AB. BC is greater than AB because AB is the smallest side. Therefore, opposite angle of BC is angle 1 is greater than opposite angle of AB is 5. Because we know the opposite angle of greater side longer side or greater side is greater. You can take this one as equation 1. Now take the another triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, here is DC is the longest side, so DC is greater than AD because DC is the longest side. Therefore, opposite angle of DC is angle 2. Angle 2 greater than opposite angle of AD, the angle is 6. The same region. This is equation 2. Adding equation 1 and 2, we get angle 1 plus angle 2 is greater than angle 5 plus angle 6, or you can say angle 1 plus 2 is angle A, this one angle A, and greater than angle 5 plus 6, that is angle C. Angle C. This is the first part. Now take another triangle. Now in triangle BAD, here is BAD. AB is the smallest side, then AD is greater than AB. AD is greater than AB because AB is the smallest side, that is given in question. Therefore, opposite angle of AD is angle 3. Angle 3 is greater than opposite angle of AB, that is angle 7. Angle 7. This is equation number 3. Now take triangle BCD. Now in triangle BCD, CD is the longest side, so CD will be greater than BCD. BCD. Then CD is greater than BC because CD is the longest side. Therefore, opposite angle of CD is angle 4 is greater than angle 8. This is equation 4. Now adding equation 3 and 4. 3 and 4. We get angle 3 plus angle 4 is greater than angle 7 plus angle 8, or angle 3 plus 4 is angle B and greater than 7 plus 8, this one is angle D. Hence proved. This is question number 4.